Cycling has been a staple of transportation for over a century, yet the industry is currently undergoing a massive technological explosion. From smart AI-driven safety gear to revolutionary comfort designs that rethink the basic seat, the way we ride is being completely reimagined. In today's video, we're counting down 30 mind-blowing bicycle inventions that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. Whether you're looking to electrify your daily commute or just want the coolest gear on the trail, these innovations are guaranteed to impress. Rockbros AS1 Mini Electric Tire Pump. Flat tires are the ultimate ride ruiner, but the Rockbros AS1 makes manual pumping a thing of the past. This ultra-portable electric pump fits in the palm of your hand and weighs next to nothing. Despite its tiny size, it packs enough punch to inflate tires to high pressures in seconds via powerful brushless motor. With USB-C charging and a durable aluminum build, it's the perfect emergency tool to stash in your jersey pocket. Say goodbye to bulky frames and tired arms forever. VabsRider. If traditional bike saddles leave you sore, the VabsRider is the revolution your body has been waiting for. Unlike static seats, this innovative design features two independent halves that move dynamically with your legs as you pedal. This motion-following technology aligns with your natural hip movement, drastically reducing friction and redistributing pressure away from sensitive areas. Fully adjustable for height and angle, it transforms long-distance treks into a smooth, pain-free experience. It's not just a seat, it's a biomechanical upgrade for your bike. Bub-up. Don't let a sudden downpour stop your journey. The Bub-up is an ingenious instant rain shield that pops open like a wearable umbrella for your bicycle. It attaches easily to any handlebar and extends over the rider, keeping your upper body and head dry without the stifling heat of a traditional raincoat. Its aerodynamic shape handles wind with ease, and when the sun comes out, it folds into a compact bag in seconds. It's the ultimate accessory for the all-weather city commuter. Extrawheel bike trailer mate. When your adventures demand serious carrying capacity, the Extrawheel steps up as the ultimate single-wheel cargo solution. Specifically engineered for electric and fat bikes, this rugged trailer handles up to 35 kg of gear with ease. Its unique design allows the trailer's wheel to serve as a full-size spare for your bicycle in emergencies. Whether you're navigating sandy dunes or city streets, its rigid frame ensures incredible stability and maneuverability. It's the perfect companion for long-distance touring and heavy-duty urban hauling. CyberSight Guardian HUD Glasses. Step into the future of cycling with the CyberSight Guardian HUD glasses. These lightweight smart shades project vital real-time data like speed, heart rate, and GPS navigation directly into your field of vision. By eliminating the need to look down at a bike computer, they keep your focus entirely on the road ahead. Equipped with AI, coaching, and vehicle detection alerts, they act as a digital co-pilot for your safety. With an 8-hour battery life and stylish polarized lenses, performance meets protection in one sleek package. FoxFloat X2. For downhill and enduro riders, the FoxFloat X2 is the definitive gravity air shock. This 2026 model features a revolutionary monotube design and pressure balancing technology for unmatched sensitivity and traction. With 4-way independent adjustability, you can fine-tune high and low speed compression and rebound to suit any terrain. The beefed-up 12.7mm shaft ensures maximum durability under the most aggressive riding conditions. Experience a pleated ride feel that bridges the gap between air efficiency and coil-like plushness on every descent. Granite Stash RT Ratchet Toolkit. Never get stranded by mechanical failure again with the Granite Stash RT. This ingenious multi-tool hides discreetly inside your bike's steerer tube, ensuring you always have a full repair kit without carrying a bulky pack. It features a 2-way ratchet with 9 essential bits, including hex, Torx, and a PH1 driver. The spring-loaded design allows for lightning-fast access during trail-side emergencies. It's a sleek, rattle-free solution that keeps your bike's lines clean while providing professional-grade utility whenever you need it. Flasher Duo. The Flasher Duo is a wearable lighting revolution designed to make you visible from every angle. These high-tech armbands feature gesture-controlled turn signals and automatic brake lights that activate the moment you slow down. Unlike traditional bike-mounted lights, these stay at eye level for drivers, significantly increasing your safety in heavy traffic. With multiple light modes and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, they provide 360-degree illumination. It's the ultimate safety wearable for urban commuters who want to be seen and understood on the road. Flector 360. Traditional reflectors are often bulky and fragile, but the Flector 360 redefines side visibility with a minimalist approach. This award-winning reflector wraps around your rims, catching light from any direction without affecting your wheel's balance or aerodynamics. Its micro-prismatic technology is incredibly bright, ensuring you stand out to motorists during night rides or in low light. Made from durable, weatherproof materials, it's virtually weightless and fits almost any rim size. It's a simple set-and-forget safety upgrade that could quite literally save your life. Boncho. When the weather turns, Boncho Bike Poncho by VanMoof acts like a pop-up umbrella for your bike. Structure extends over the handlebars, shielding your upper body, legs, and feet while remaining open underneath for maximum breathability. Lightweight and waterproof, it folds into a small pouch in seconds for easy storage in any bag. Ideal for city commuters. It's a stylish and practical way to stay dry without overheating during rainy rides. Superhum Photon. The Superhum Photon e-bike is a high-performance stealth e-bike designed for urban speed. It features a lightweight 43-pound aircraft-grade aluminum frame with an optional glow-in-the-dark finish for ultimate nighttime visibility. Powered by a 350-watt motor and a hidden 480-watt-hour Samsung battery, it reaches speeds of 28 miles per hour with a 40-mile range. With hydraulic disc brakes and a minimalist one-button interface, it offers a clean, powerful, and futuristic riding experience that disappears into traffic. Alpaca 1. The Alpaca 1 foldable cargo box is a revolutionary origami-style crate that turns any bicycle into a cargo hauling machine. It mounts flat to your rear rack, sitting discreetly until needed, then unfolds in under 1 second into a 30-liter basket capable of carrying up to 20 kg, enough for a crate of drinks or heavy groceries. It provides massive utility without the bulk of a permanent trailer. Built for flexibility, it's compatible with standard panniers and perfect for spontaneous urban errands. Tarant T1 Pro. The Tarant T1 Pro is a high-tech cyborg cargo bike designed to replace your family car. It features the innovative dynamic dual-drive landing gear, which automatically deploys stabilizer wheels at low speeds to prevent tipping. Inside, you'll find a 5.2-inch Retina touchscreen running Tarant, providing integrated navigation and safety alerts from built-in radar and cameras. With a 100 Nm and a dual battery range of up to 200 km, it's a powerhouse for urban hauling. TrikExplore 320e. For those seeking a more relaxed, stable posture, the TrikExplore 320e is a premium electric recumbent trike built for touring comfort. Its 500-watt Bafang mid-motor and high-capacity Panasonic battery deliver effortless power on both city streets and unpaved trails. The Trike features an adjustable D&M airshock suspension and a lightweight aluminum frame that folds for easier transport. Whether you're commuting or exploring the countryside, its low center of gravity ensures a smooth, stable, and ergonomic journey. GyroBike Auto Balance Bike. Learning to ride just became crash-proof with the GyroBike. This clever invention uses a gyroscopic front wheel that generates stability, keeping the bike upright even at a crawl. As a child's confidence grows, parents can use a wireless controller to gradually dial down the balance assistance, making training wheels obsolete. The lightweight alloy frame and scoop saddle are designed specifically for young riders, turning the scary first day on two wheels into a fun, successful adventure. Rockbros Bike Handlebar Mittens. Winter riding no longer means frozen fingers thanks to these Rockbros Handlebar Mittens. Designed to stay attached to your bars, these windproof and waterproof pogies allow you to wear thinner gloves for better control while keeping your hands in a pocket of warm air. The microfiber thermal lining and extended cups block freezing gusts and rain effortlessly. They feature large reflective strips for nighttime safety and are compatible with most mountain bikes and hybrids. Stay warm, stay controlled, and keep riding all winter long. TrikExplore. The TrikExplore is a high-end tilting electric trike that combines the stability of three wheels with the agile feel of a traditional bicycle. Its unique tilting mechanism allows you to lean naturally into corners, providing a sporty ride without the fear of tipping. Equipped with a powerful motor and a premium internal gear hub, it's built for smooth urban commuting and heavy-duty use. With its compact footprint and high-quality Italian craftsmanship, it's a sophisticated solution for riders seeking both safety and performance. Virgo Helmet. Standard helmets often leave the face vulnerable, but the Virgo helmet offers full face protection tailored specifically for high-speed e-bike riders. It features a lightweight, breathable shell with an integrated chin bar to protect your jaw during impacts. The helmet includes a magnetic flip-up visor to shield your eyes from wind and debris, plus a detachable rear LED light for 360-degree visibility, merging the safety of a motorcycle helmet with the lightness of a cycling lid. It's the ultimate head protection for the modern era. Livall PikaBoost 2. Convert almost any bicycle into an e-bike in seconds with the Livall PikaBoost 2. This all-in-one self-contained unit clips onto your seat post and uses a motorized roller to drive the rear tire. The new generation features AR Power Assist, which detects terrain changes and adjusts motor output automatically for a smooth climb. It also doubles as a wireless power bank and a safety brake light. With its tool-free installation, it's the most convenient way to add electric power to your existing ride. Lezyne AI Alert. Safety meets artificial intelligence in the Lezyne AI Alert rear light. This isn't just a flasher. It uses advanced accelerometer sensors and AI to distinguish between normal pedaling and braking deceleration. When you slow down, the light automatically intensifies to a brake light mode to warn following traffic. Once stopped, it shifts into a distinct alert pattern. Built with a waterproof high-gloss body and wide-angle optics, it provides 270 degrees of visibility, ensuring you're seen from almost any direction. Ceramic Speed-Driven. The ceramic speed-driven system is a radical departure from the 100-year-old chain drive. This revolutionary drivetrain uses a carbon fiber drive shaft and a series of ceramic bearings to transfer power, boasting an incredible 99% efficiency. By eliminating the friction and cross-chaining issues of traditional derailleurs, it creates the world's most efficient bicycle drivetrain. While still a concept moving toward production, its sleek aerodynamic and grease-free design represents the absolute pinnacle of high-performance cycling engineering and futuristic aesthetics. Walson Fingerprint Disc Lock. Ditch the keys and combinations with the Walson Fingerprint Disc Lock. Weighing just 220 grams, this compact powerhouse secures your bike by locking directly onto the brake disc. Its high-speed biometric sensor stores up to 40 unique fingerprints, allowing you to share access with family or friends instantly. Built from 304 stainless steel with an IP65 waterproof rating, it's designed to survive the elements while providing top-tier security. It's the ultimate grab-and-go protection for the tech-savvy urban cyclist. Gocycle. The Gocycle G4 is widely considered the world's most advanced folding electric bike. Automotive-inspired design features a proprietary G4 motor that delivers quiet, powerful torque in a sleek, lightweight package. The patented Clean Drive system fully encloses the drivetrain, keeping your clothes grease-free, while the pit stop wheels pop off in seconds for easy maintenance. With a 40-mile range and a full time of under 10 seconds, it's a masterclass in urban mobility. It's not just a bike, it's a high-performance commuting tool. Contivelo Easy Ride. Give your folding bike the climbing power it deserves with the Contivelo Easy Ride. This ingenious 2-speed crankset lets you shift gears simply by backpedaling 45 to 90 degrees, keeping your handlebars completely clutter-free. It requires no cables or derailleurs, and can even be shifted while stationary, perfect for stop-and-go city traffic. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, it adds massive utility without the bulk of traditional gear systems. It's a game-changing upgrade for Brompton owners and small wheel enthusiasts seeking a smoother, more capable ride. Wheelkeep. Wheelkeep Invisible Security is a state-of-the-art anti-theft system that hides directly inside your bike's steerer tube. Unlike visible trackers, it's completely undetectable from the outside and replaces your star nut for a seamless fit. Equipped with high-precision GPS and motion sensors, it sends instant push notifications to your phone if your bike is tampered with. It features a 3-month battery life, USB-C charging, and even offers professional recovery services in select regions. Ride with total peace of mind. Plike. Redefine your bike's voice with the Plike Huge Bicycle Bell, the world's first high-performance plastic-less bicycle bell. Inspired by nature's flowing structures, it is precision-crafted from a single unified piece of premium aluminum. This compliant mechanism design eliminates small rattling parts, resulting in a crystal-clear, distinguished tone that commands attention. Its sleek, rust-proof body is built for superior durability in any weather. Unit 1 Aura. The Unit 1 Aura Smart Helmet is a hybrid smart helmet engineered for the high-speed demands of e-bikes and urban commuting. It features integrated 500-lumen LEDs, intelligent turn signals, and automatic brake lights for unmatched visibility. Beyond lighting, it incorporates MIPS technology for rotational impact protection and an advanced crash detection system that alerts emergency contacts if you fall. With 14 vents and a lightweight 440-gram shell, it blends elite safety with all-day comfort. It's the ultimate protective gear for the modern rider. Bike Balls Bicycle Light. The Bike Balls Bicycle Light is perhaps the most unconventional safety accessory ever designed. This silicone light hangs from the back of your saddle and naturally bobs and sways as you pedal, creating a dynamic movement that is impossible for drivers to ignore. It features a simple integrated power switch and 3 light modes: solid fast flash and slow flash. Waterproof and durable, it adds a touch of humor to your commute while significantly boosting your visibility on the road. Rinsed-in Spring. Turn any bicycle into a full suspension ride with the rinsed-in spring. This simple yet revolutionary shock absorber attaches between your seat post and saddle, dampening vibrations and vertical impacts from potholes or gravel. Made from high-quality spring steel, it's maintenance-free and can be adjusted to suit different rider weights or terrain types. It's an affordable and effective way to increase comfort and reduce fatigue during long rides, making even the roughest roads feel like smooth pavement under your tires. Sync Bicycle. The Sync Bicycle represents a new era of connected cycling through a modular design that grows with your needs. This smart bike features integrated internal routing, a stealthy motor system, and a frame designed to accept various bolt-on accessories like cargo racks or child seats without looking cluttered. Its proprietary app offers turn-by-turn navigation, anti-theft tracking, and ride diagnostics. It's a versatile, future-proof platform built for riders who want one high-tech machine that can handle everything from fitness to daily utility. From glowing e-bikes to gyroscopic training wheels, the future of cycling is looking brighter and a lot more high-tech than ever. Whether you're a hardcore mountain biker or just someone looking to make the grocery run a bit faster, there's an invention on this list for you. Which of these 30 gadgets was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Tronify Tech, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest in tech innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.